This is the new and improved video. I decided to start a little bit from the beginning to make sure that you know how to even access the Viz portal. From now on, we call the Blackbaud Viz portal. It is no longer Blackbaud. So everyone just refer to Blackbaud now as Viz portal. That is our way of talking about it. There's an email that Bev sent us on July the 7th. So you're going to have to search your emails for July the 7th, and it shows you how to log in. Once you click on this, you need to bookmark it. Okay, we cannot access this anywhere else except through that email. It's not on the website or anything. They're working on it. Okay, so you need to bookmark it. I personally like to put things up here. There's lots of different ways to bookmark. Okay, so you'll probably get a message. You can say don't show this again. I'm just going to click out of it. You might get another message that says like show me these, remind me, something like that. You know, click on remind me. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's not going to hurt anything, whichever button you click on. So here you can see I'm in my Viz portal. So this video now is going to show you how to set up your gradebook. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your classes and pick the class that you want to set up first. I will pick my, actually, I'm going to pick my Spanish 1 Section 1 class. And I'm going to do like a fake one. So these are not really my percentages and stuff. I'm just doing it. I'm just making it up. Okay. Once you click on that class, you'll see that you're there, and there probably won't be anything, just like mine. Click Gradebook. Okay, and so you can see all my students. We want to set up our gradebook, right? So we're going to go to Edit Setup. Oh, okay. So right away it went to the right screen. I was playing around with this earlier, and it was taking me to a different screen first that mentioned like marking period or something like that. It was just almost a blank screen with just a little bit at top. If you get that when you click Edit, go up and just X out of that screen and then click the edit again, and you'll be in the right area. I don't know what's a weird quirk. All right, so now I'm where I need to be. Calculation method. What do you use? Percentages, total points with weight? I use percentages. You might be thinking, huh, this reminds me a lot of Net Classroom. It's because it is almost identical. It just looks different. The idea is exactly the same. It just looks different and is maybe a little bit easier to use, in my opinion. This part is different. Select assignment types. Okay, they're preset. I asked Sue if they can be changed. She has not responded yet, but so far they are preset. So that means that hopefully somewhere in here is how you do your grades. I'm going to just make up a few. I'll just do these 4. Right now, you're supposed to ignore the exam one. Bev is going to deal with this in about a month. Please don't do anything with exam. Just click however your categories are and make sure it equals 100. And just don't worry about the exam. Boom. See? So now I just have to put the weights in. I'm just going to make up the weights, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that total, it doesn't say the percentage, but I know this is correct. I don't drop assignments, so I'm not going to be doing that, but you can. Now, is my section 1 similar enough to my section 2? Yes. So I technically would want to click this. It's already been clicked for me, but I would want to click this because I want the grades to be the same. Now, since these are fake grades, I'm going to actually unclick it. And then second semester is there, and you can absolutely do that. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to unclick this one too. Now, here's where earlier I got kind of hung up. Where's the darn save button? Where's the save button? I couldn't find it. Well, guess what? All you have to do is maximize the screen just a little bit more, and there's the save button. And you're going to hit save and close. These are going to be, I'm going to have to go in and change all these, and then it's going to take you back to this. Now, adding an assignment, we didn't learn that today, you guys. I guarantee you, if you were to click on this, you would figure it out pretty easily because it's very, very similar to how Net Classroom was. Again, we didn't learn it today. I haven't really practiced it, so I don't want to mess you up. September the 7th is when all of this will be viewable by parents and students. We have some time to play around with this, so don't panic. That's how you set up your gradebook.